Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showcasing the best TikTok view bot on the market right now. We are one of the only TikTok view bots on the market right now. So if you do want to purchase, we have a 20% discount. Link to purchase will be in the description. We sell weekly, monthly, and lifetime keys. Go check it out. So we're going to enter the video ID. Video has 2.5k views right now. So let's give around 5 seconds. Devices need to warm up. So as you can see, it is currently sending views, 3.1k right now, 3.45, 3.92. Let's run it for a bit longer. 4.14, 4.81. So this is a showcase of the speed. Like I said, if you do want to purchase, link to purchase will be in the description. We have a discount ongoing right now, so it's the perfect time to buy. Go check it out.